In recent years, unmanned aerial systems have quietly transformed modern military aviation. Some of these systems are highly advanced and expensive, while others are surprisingly simple, affordable, and extremely influential. One such system is the Iranian Shahed-136 drone, a design that has attracted worldwide attention not only because of where it has been used, but because even the United States is now developing drones inspired by its concept. Today we will explore what the Shahed 136 is, how it works, why it becomes so important, and what it means for the future of unmanned military aviation. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more in-depth analysis on military aircraft, drones, and emerging defense technologies. The Shahed 136 is classified as a loitering munition, a type of unmanned aerial vehicle designed to fly long distances, remain airborne for extended periods, and engage a target during its mission. Unlike traditional drones that return after surveillance or strike missions, loitering munitions are single-mission systems, optimized for range, endurance, and cost efficiency. What makes the Shahed 136 unique is not cutting-edge stealth or advanced sensors, but rather its design philosophy. It focuses on simplicity, mass production, and affordability, allowing it to be deployed in large numbers without the cost burden of traditional air platforms. From an aviation standpoint, this approach challenges long-held assumptions about how air power must be built and sustained.
America has the world's most powerful military. It has the most advanced weapons. But now something interesting is happening. Pentagon has quietly copied Iranian drones.
According to recent reports, the United States Marine Corps is now developing a low-cost loitering munitions known as low-cost uncrewed combat attack system. Interestingly, low-cost is widely described as being conceptually inspired by the Shahed 136, especially in terms of mission profile, simplicity, cost-effective production. With an estimated unit cost of around $35,000, low cost reflects a shift in US military thinking, acknowledging that future air operations may require large numbers of affordable unmanned systems, alongside advanced aircraft like the F-35 or B-21 radar. This is less about imitation and more about learning from real-world operational outcomes. The Shahed 136 gained international attention during the where Iranian-designed drones were supplied to Russia and used extensively. From an aviation and defense analysis viewpoint, these systems demonstrated how low-cost unmanned platforms can influence operational planning, air defense allocation, and resources management. Rather than replacing fighter jets or loitering munitions like the Shahed 136 added a new operational layer, forcing modern air defense systems to adapt to persistent, long-range unmanned threats. This experience was closely studied by defense planners worldwide, including NATO countries and the United States.